Anytown, NASA 859, approaching number 123 left, ready for takeoff, looking for airborne pickup. There's 140.
Looking for 20 and 0.5.
Copy. 20.5.
Verified. Clear to engage.
Copy. Clear to engage. Oh, engaged.
Clear roller coaster.
3, 2, 1, now.
Point complete.
There you go.
Expected. Expected. Point complete. Reviewing data.
Chase is showing 291-32060.80 Mach. Pitch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. Complete arm and left turn right roll. Nose up a little, watching the speed, looks good. There's 216, 1 GD check, 215, 216. We're good.
Point complete. Reviewing data.
Wings level side slip. Left pedal stop. Hold. Slow release.
3, 1, go.
Step 6.1. Wings level push. Cleared. Push.
There he goes, coming on down to us. Leveling off.
Expected.
Just getting his jet
Point
oil.
complete. Reviewing data. Clear to excel.
Gonna push down. It's gonna pull up.
Expected bingo fuel. Point complete. Reviewing data. Point complete. Reviewing data. Settings verified. Clear to arm and run. Right turn for left roll.
Right turn, left roll.
complete. Reviewing data.
Clear on right turn, left roll.
Point complete. Reviewing data.
Okay, let me go ahead and reset bingo to 2.7.
Copy. Resetting bingo.
J showing 281-43350.98 Mach.
Control copies.
Okay, gear 5, 4, 3.
Okay, red light handle, brake degrade.
Expected.
Green.
Paradise 859, 4 mile final with the gear full stop.
SC59, flight runway 23 left, wind 230 at 16, gets 22, clear for the option.
859.
Good transition.
Thank you.